All right, Will, here's one of your GS runs, training runs at Eagle Alley. Let's check it out.
Lila at the top. 830.2. Clear, Lila. Does that. Came off the pitch in a lead, just get your hips back. You know, you did a good job on the pitch, but you gotta stay forward. Shape in, shape out of that flush. Lila, it's clear.
Well, this was really some good skiing this day. You're really coming along. Some of the best GS I've ever seen. Really kind of looking for speed. Great job. Pretty good line most of the time. Nice looking turn there. You rolled them up, brought some turn shape back. Long outside leg, short inside leg. Been pretty level. One thing we do got to work on though is sometimes you know, too concerned with hitting that gate. We've talked about this many a time. We talked about how you have to give your feet room to have a strong angulated position by the gate. You're not giving yourself enough room. So you got to get the feet further away from the gate. Then we drop in. Then we drop the hip in. Then we want to be on the gate. But we got to be on the gate in a strong angulated position, getting a little lower. Not much angles there, right? You're kind of pretty much just straight up and down. We also don't want to hit the gate without first, then turn later. You're coming in here with no direction, really. Your ski's pointing straight down the hill. Gonna bash the gate, and then we'll turn a little bit down here. That doesn't really help us. Hitting the gates doesn't make us faster. In fact, it can slow us down. We want to really be brushing the gates, really on the downside of the pole, as we've had completion and direction, and really up, just kind of brushing up the arm and really our back. Obviously here you can see a little bit kind of cheating on the inside and diverging, starting that turn a little bit on the inside ski. Got to be outside ski to outside ski. So you end up kind of having weight on both skis here, kind of two-footed. Better direction we're hitting, but hitting the gate yourself, sticking the elbow out as we talked about, itself doesn't really help. Again, not enough room. Didn't give yourself enough room there to really have an angulated position, and your skis, as you pass it, are going kind of more straight down the hill and then having to turn underneath. We got to make sure we bring more turn shape back, be a little more patient. You're starting to turn just a hair too early. Now you're going straight, 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 and now I'm going to turn. So you're starting to turn a hair a little bit early. Get yourself out, sometimes past rise line if you have to, if it's offset afterwards. Be a little more patient. As you get your skis, you're just past rise line, practically in rise line, but just a little past it, where the skis are already pointing right down the hill. All right, you need to have more shape above and less turn below, and you're pressuring down here, and you can see when you released it got kind of launched right there a little bit. So you're light now at the top of this turn, and just going to chuck them sideways and kill your speed. Good looking turn there, though, Will. I don't know why, these right footers sometimes a big spray, and this left footer is really nice. Rolled it up, stood on it. And this one you come in, kind of chuck it sideways. But overall, Will, some much better skiing. Looking for speed. I love it. We got a few weeks left more of the season. Let's keep up the good work.